Assalamualaikum. I am Komal Kamma from Department of BS Biotechnology. My presentation topic is redox reactions. Redox reactions are those reactions in which oxidation and reduction takes place. So what is oxidation? Oxidation is the addition of oxygen and loss of electrons, while reduction is the addition of hydrogen and gain of electrons. So what is oxidizing agent? Oxidizing agents are those agents that oxidize others but reduce itself. Similarly, reducing agents are those agents that reduce others but oxidize itself. Now we are moving towards balancing of redox reactions. How we can balance a redox reactions? For balancing a redox reactions, we must follow some steps. After following these steps, we can easily balance any types of redox reactions. Balancing of redox reactions. In the balancing of redox reactions, the first step is to assign the oxidation states. Let's see, this is the chemical equation that you want to balance. The first step is to assign the oxidation state. You can see in this equation we assign the oxidation states. The second step is to determine the element that is oxidized and reduced. We can say that where is oxidation occurs and where is the reduction occurs. You can say that in this equation ferrous is oxidized and chromium is reduced. The first step is to divide the equation into two halves, that is oxidation half reaction and reduction half reactions. The next step is to balance the elements other than hydrogen and water. After that, balance the oxygen with the help of the water, but water should be added on those sides where is the less amount of oxygen and no oxygen. You can see that in this equation. Next step is to balance the hydrogen and the protons on the opposite side. After that, balance the electrons. You can say that there is the 1 electron and there is 6 electrons. To balance the electrons, we multiply with a suitable number, like this is 6 electrons, but in this equation this is there is only 1 electron, so that we can multiply this half equation with 6. Now you can see that there is number of electrons are balanced. Then the next step is to addition of the equations, and in which you can cancel the number of electrons that are the same and the common species. After that, add the equation and you can see that this is the final equation, and in this way you can balance any type of redox reactions. I repeat all these steps to balance the redox reactions. First step, assign the oxidation states. Second step, determine the element that is oxidized and reduced. The third step, divide the equation into two halves, that is oxidation half reaction and reduction half reactions. Then balance the elements other than oxygen and hydrogen. Then balance the oxygen with the addition of the water. Then balance the hydrogen with the addition of the H. Then balance the electrons. Then add the both these equations. Then cancel the electrons and the common species, and then we can get the final equation. So by using all these steps, we can easily balance the any type of chemical equation. This is all from my side. Thank you.